Okay, so I know it's dark. What I found at the thrift store, I'm so excited about, and I'll tell you why. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. So I'm testing out my new camera. I'm really excited to find something cheap at the thrift store. So we got one of two things. I got right here 2 totes, just the bottoms. I didn't need the lids anyway. I got a projector. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So I got this tote, a projector. I found some really cool books. This is really cool. This is a Harvard medical school family health guide. I thought that was really cool. And then I just got some really awesome books. I also found this, which is the worst case scenario survival handbook. So I thought that was kind of cool. And I can't wait to go over this. But this is a really old school canning book. And I don't even know how old it is. I just saw it. Let me see if I can find a date in here. Mm-mm. 1963 is the date on it. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I got this really cool old school projector, which we plan on doing some things with. Some art stuff. But an also thing that I'm really interested in this Harvard medical school book right here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's really thick. It's like really super thick. But there's some things in here that you can't find in a lot of other books. They tell you how to do sutures and all different kinds of stuff. So that's pretty cool. These I'm really excited about because I got some experiments this winter, and this is going to be a double barrier type protection over top my plants in the greenhouse. So I don't know, maybe next weekend I will go back to see if they have any more of these clear totes, and they're pretty deep too, so that's what I have going on there. This is super light. This is the lightest camera I've ever had. This is called a Hero 4. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So there's all my lights. There's Smelly Ellie. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? And we got a new screen door and a door on the house, which I think last time in one of my videos, or one of my lives, we didn't have the door on, and we had like this huge hole there. So thought that was kind of funny. So we got a couple of really cool thrift store finds, which I'm really thrilled about. I got this really cool kit, actually, and I'm going to talk to you about it a little bit. Let me move some stuff out of the way. I got this really cool kit. Let me show you. And here, this kit comes, for my camera. It has flotation devices, so when you take it in the water, it has clamps, wrists, harnesses, just some really cool accessories type stuff. Car mount. Got this all for $21. I know it's probably the cheapest ever, but I really like it. Plus the stand that this is on, which I thought was super cool. So far, so good. Nothing really wrong with anything, so that we see. Okay guys, and welcome to Wide Family Farm. Today I'm just going to do a quick garden tour. I got a lot of things going on in the garden and it's actually grown up quite a bit since I saw y'all last. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. I'm operating with a new camera, so everything's going to be a little bit different for a little while. This part of my garden is going to be, it's pretty spent. I'm going to be ripping some of this out eventually here. This is like the marigolds and the coxcomb and stuff like that. And then of course this already has died off. So I planted a hollyhock in there. I didn't know though that hollyhocks are a 2-year variety. So it'll be like next year before I get some hollyhocks out of that. I still have calendula coming, really a whole lot of it coming on, and I still need to pull some of that thyme and all different kinds of stuff in my herb garden. Parsley is going crazy. Still have a lot of marigolds here, and yeah. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to show you. This is my cabbage, guys. This is doing absolutely wonderful. And my lettuce is ready too. So this is the year or the season of the chicken. We are going to be cooking a lot of chicken and eating a lot of salads. So that's what's going on here. And actually some of these are starting to develop heads. Look over here. I got some red romaine in there. And I have some kohlrabi over here, and it's all doing great. I also have some peppers on here that I need to pick. This is King of the North, and that's looking pretty good as well. But yeah, everything is looking really good out here, and I still got bee, lots and lots of bee action. Pretty cool stuff. I have some Spanish peppers coming on. Look at that, guys. Got some Spanish peppers here, and these came on late, but I got a ton of them. Look at this. So it only has a couple more weeks, so I don't understand. Maybe I just need to start these earlier, and I will start getting stuff. But look at this. I love these Spanish peppers. They're really good. More cabbages, more lettuce over here. Got pumpkins. Got a ton of bell peppers. We got like a couple more weeks, guys. I got some jalapenos. You can see right here. Some more cayennes. They're all over the place, actually. And some more Spanish peppers. Yeah, this is crazy. I got a ripe pumpkin right there. My birds are going crazy over there. Oh, my husband is picking some of those bell peppers. Looks pretty good. We also need to pick some carrots. So over the next couple days, we have some carrots that are in like a tote over there with those marigolds right there. So we need to pick those carrots, and I'm going to check out my carrots that I planted in this bed as well and take a look and see how fast they've grown. I got some carrots over there too. And see how fast they've grown, and if they're going to make it over the winter or not. But yeah, look at my lettuces. That's crazy. They've grown up completely.
And some of the cabbages down here at the end are starting to form up a little bit.
That's good.
I just sprayed these a little bit ago.
We've been spraying them with BT because last year we had a huge problem with cabbage worms.
And we have it again this year.
And we have it again this year.
We're spraying them. I mean, they're not destroying them. They'll be okay. It's just they're still damaging the plants a little bit.
But these are the Jersey Wakefield over here. And then I have some of the biggest cabbages. They're supposed to be the biggest cabbages in the world planted over here, the Flat Dutch. So we'll see. I also have some of the red acre cabbage in here. I was told, and I can't remember who told me, that the red varieties, the bugs don't like near as much. So I planted some of that as well. It looks like a jungle. But yeah, I have some huge King of the North over here that needs to be picked. I got 2 of them. They're down here. And they're all over here too, but they're not developed yet.
Is there more here, you
Mm-hmm. Down there.
said? Oh, okay.
Yeah.